I'm back, baby. I'm back. I'm trying to let y'all know. Hello, lovelies, and welcome back, or welcome. What is it? I'm keeping this intro regardless. I like to do with this, instead of what I was making a mistake of doing, I was just putting it on my parts. And I should probably get a mirror because I can't see Jack Diddley Squad. But we just gonna ride with it, you know? Like I said, my scalp is pretty moisturized right now anyway, but just make sure that you get underneath the actual twist, because I was neglecting that and then I started getting a lot of dandruff and it was just really ridiculous and I got really itchy. And this is intentionally to relieve itching, prevent breakage, encourage hair growth. And from my experience, it's been doing all of that. Okay, so we're gonna get to the good stuff. All right, y'all. I can see myself in the mirror. I can see myself in the mirror. Little technical difficulties. But, okay. So I'm just taking this and I'm spraying, just making sure it's damp. That's it. You don't want it soaking wet. And pretty much my hair is damp now everywhere. And this right here, the Camille Rose Almond Joy. And I just like to take whatever is comfortable for you. I try not to put butters or anything heavy on my scalp because I get product buildup very, very fast. With my products, it sits on top of my hair. So I personally have to squeeze in my hair, squeeze the product into my strands. And also, while I'm doing this, I like to go around and see if there's any ends of my hair sticking out. Like this. I don't know if you can see it. Sometimes you can't tell because the Marley hair matches mine. Is this Marley hair? No, this is my hair. And I just like to go over and place extra butter on the ends of this hair and tuck it back in. Because if I don't, I'll be sure to trim that from not taking care of it like I was supposed to. So yeah, just go through it and see what's hanging out. And that's why it's important that I go back in and make sure they're all tucked in and locked away. Okay, so we're pretty much all moisturized here as far as the butter. And to lock it all in, you know, I always like to do an oil. Typically, if this were like my hair, I would do castor oil for my twist. But it's a bit too heavy, especially with this hair on top of it. So I just like to go for something lighter. I prefer Main Choice oils. They have really nice mixtures. Like there's one that they have, it's probably my favorite. It's the growth oil. Yes, I like this. This is good too. It's really, really light. So I like to switch it up between those two as far as oils. But other than that, I used to use jojoba oil. I used to use sweet almond oil. I used to use grapeseed. I don't know why I stopped using that. And I'm using the same method. I just squeeze it in and I like to rub it along the strand. And I'm just making sure that we're sealing in everything, all the butters, and it's literally that easy. It just takes a couple of minutes to just go ahead and moisturize it, make sure it's still good, and just keep it moving. If you do want to see how I did these twists, I made a video for it. Yes, I made a video for it. I uploaded, I think, last week. So yeah, if you want to go see that, please check it out. I'm gonna put it in the description box, a little box below. But yeah, so this is just final thing, and then I'm just gonna make sure you wrap it up at night. Like I said, I still every night I apply castor oil to my edges after I wash my face. And sometimes what I'm starting to do, because like I said, I'm trying to grow my edges a bit thicker, just these sides right here. But I add butter first and then some castor oil, massage it in, and then I just wrap my hair up for the night. So, but yes, I'm once I'm done with this hairstyle, I'm actually going to be doing a twist out, and I haven't done a twist out since 2018 on here. So my hair should be bigger now. I'm excited to see where it's at, and I'm gonna give you a whole layout for the week. So I'm gonna do a week in my twist out so you can see how it looks on the first day, and then how I take care of it throughout the whole week and get an idea for it. So I got a lot of stuff coming for y'all. I just really appreciate, very sentimental moment, okay? Cue the violin. But seriously, I really appreciate anybody who comes to my channel, even if you subscribe or don't subscribe. I just appreciate you taking out the time to watch it, to be here, to, you know, do whatever. So, if you have any questions, please make sure you write in the comments, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. You already know the deal. But until next time, see you later.